Hey guys, here at Adventure Moto, we consider ROK Stoppers an essential piece of adventure riding equipment. As bikes get bigger, so do the rocks that your mates are flinging at your headlight. And these things are expensive, but not these. So I want to let you know, we stock protectors for all the common adventure bike models. So take a look on our website and find the right one that fits your headlight. Today, I'm working on the Desert X. So I'm going to show you how to fit one and unpack it first. In the packet, you're going to get your headlight protector, your fitting instructions, and you'll get an alcohol wipe and a bundle of 3M adhesive Velcro tabs. You can also buy the adhesives in black if you prefer that for your bike model. First, I'm going to take out my alcohol wipe because we're going to clean the headlight as well as the headlight protector. So alcohol wipe, real simple, just give it a clean. We're not overdoing it. It's just cleaning the surface so that adhesives can stick. Now, wherever you think the adhesives are going to stick on your protector, you can just wipe those areas. I'll lay it flat. I'm going to take my 3M adhesives. We're going to peel one side and leave one cover on. So one side peeled, we'll make sure that alcohol is dried, and I'm going to stick it on to the corner there, like that. Now we're going to do that with all four. Remember, keeping the other side cover on. Once again, I'll line it up so it's pretty symmetrical with the other one. It's important to just get a good view, like that. Now guys, your kit may come with 3, 4, even 6 adhesives. I recommend using however many comes in your packet. Alright, so your kit will come with the clear adhesives, but on a bike like the Desert X where you've got lots of black areas, you might want to upgrade to those black pucks and they'll look really good. I've just removed all the paper backing from the 3M adhesive, so that is now exposed. We're gonna gently stick it to the headlight, and I might just step back and get a nice view from the front. I can see that everything's covered. It's nice and symmetrical. That way I can now really press it down and put it into place. It'll be nice and firm so that adhesive really sticks. Now finally, you don't need to, but I like to just give it a wipe on the outside. Might have some fingerprints, but hey, it's gonna get dirty anyways. All right, so now that this has been setting for a while, I'll show you how easy it is to just pop off. This 3M Velcro is not the average fluffy Velcro. It won't wear out. It's really, really impressive how it'll stick on. You just press it like that, and now it'll stay there. And it just makes it really easy for taking it off, cleaning the headlight, cleaning the protector, and pop it straight back on. And guys, if you ever need to replace the 3M adhesives as well, they're really easy to take off and they won't leave a mark on your headlight. Alright guys, I'm all done. I'm really happy with the fit. We stock ROK Stopper headlight protectors for countless motorcycles. I've got some here for the Triumph, Yamaha, GS's, but yeah, road bikes, cruisers, it's all there at adventuremoto.com.au.